Hello Horticos, welcome back to Horticos World. In most of the agri competitive exams, we usually get the questions related to colors such as what are cool colors and what are warm colors and what are primary or secondary colors. So in this video, we will discuss about the tricks to remember about the color schemes with just a simple trick. For this trick, all you need to remember is a single code, that is 𝐕𝐂𝐻𝐼𝐂𝐻, that is VBGYOR. And I hope you all know what is 𝐕𝐂𝐻𝐼𝐂𝐻. They were just nothing but a code of colors that includes violet, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And from this code, the first three letters violet, blue and green were cool colors, and the next three letters yellow, orange and red are warm colors. And the colors blue, yellow and red are primary colors, where the remaining violet, green and orange will come under secondary colors. And also along with that, we will also look over the anthocyanin pigment colors. They are violet, blue and red. That means in most of the cases, in fruits or vegetables, the violet, blue or red colors were due to anthocyanin. And also in case of vegetables and fruits, most of the orange or yellow color is due to carotenoids. And remember, I said most of the cases, not all the cases. There will be some exceptions and I will make another video on them. And coming to the minor portion of color schemes, the tertiary colors include cream or pink shades, and the neutral colors were grey, black and white. So yeah friends, this is all about our video, and I hope this will help you. And if you feel like our efforts are useful, then just go and subscribe our channel Horticos World, and like the content and share with your friends, because knowledge increases by sharing.